Hello friends, in this video today we are going to discuss how to solve a set of linear equations using LU decomposition method. Okay, so now let me show you. Suppose we need to solve these three equations. It is a set of linear equations where this b1 b2 this represents constants here. X1 x2 x3 are the variables and their coefficients are a1 a2 a11 a12 a13 and so on. Okay, so a11 means first row first column, 1 2 second row second column. Similarly 2 represents second row second column, 1 2 represents first row second column. Okay, so hope you have understood this. Now this system can be written in this form. Okay, can be written in the form a x is equal to b, where the A is the matrix whose elements are the coefficients of this of the variable of this equation. Okay, so it is a square matrix. So let me write the matrix here, and the matrix X, it is a column matrix which contains the variable, that is x1 x2 x3, and the B is another column matrix, contains the constants b1 b2 b3. Okay, so now this A, it is a square matrix of 3 into 3, so which can be factorized as A is equal to LU, where L is, so this another matrix that is given by 1 0 0 L 2 1 1 0, then L 3 1 L 3 2 1, and U is equal to U 1 1 U 1 2 U 1 3, then 0 U 2 2 U 2 3, then 0 0 U 3 3. Okay, so here you see, if you replace this A by this L into U, then you will get that L U X is equal to B. Yes, L U is equal to B. So now what we're gonna do here, so we will consider this U into X as Y. Okay, say, or let U X be Y, so that we can write Ly is equal to B. Okay, Ly is equal to B, where Y is another column matrix, contains y1 y2 y3. Okay, so we get from this relation, what we get from this relation, we will get, sorry, not from this relation, from this relation we will get 1 0 0 L 2 1 1 0 L 3 1 L 3 2 1 into y1 y2 y3 is equal to, so B means here b1 b2 b3. Okay, and this, from this we will get three equations. Those are y1 equal to b1 after multiplication of the matrix, and L21 y1 plus y2 is equal to b2, then we will get L31 y1 plus L32 y2 plus y3 is equal to b3. If you multiply these two matrices, and then you can obtain this tree equations. Suppose this set of equations be 1. Okay, now again you see we have here A is equal to L into U. Okay, from this relation what we can obtain? So as LU is equal to A, so this implies now after multiplication of L and U, these two matrices, if you multiply these two and then simplifying, we will get 3 more equations, and those are, so let me write those equations, and then we will get here U11 is equal to A11, U12 is equal to A12, then U13 is equal to A13. Then you will get L21, U11, A21. Then you will get L21, U1, sorry, let me write here U1, 2 plus U22 is equal to A22. Then you will get L21, U13 plus L23 is equal to A23. Then you will get L31, U11 is equal to L31. Then L31, U12 plus L32, U22 is equal to, so it's A32. Then you will get L31 L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus U33 is equal to A33. Now you see here, so here we have already got the values of U11, U12 and U13. Okay, now solving these equations we will obtain L21. Okay, then L31, that means we will get the values of all those elements in the matrix U and L. Okay, so for time saving you can remember these equations. Instead of solving these equations, you can remember these equations. If you remember this equation, you can solve easily. So observe the pattern. L21, it is always equal to A21. So when you have written L21, here write A21 divided by A11. Okay, then again L31, that's going to be equal to again A31. Here when you write L31, then write here A31, then divided by again A11. Okay, and to obtain U22, so it can be obtained by, when you have U22, then you can write A22 here minus as you have A22 here, so then A21 by again A11 into, so A12, then you can find U23. When you write U23, then write A23 minus again A21 by A11, then now here 13. So if you observe the pattern, so when there is U22, you have to write here A22, then this part is same here also, and this is 12 and this is 13. Okay, if you remember this, then you can find this. To find L21, it is very simple. You can observe the pattern here. So when you write L21, then A21 by A11. When we need L31, A31 by A11. Okay, so similarly here also to find U22, U23, so here to find u22 we have written here a22, and to find u23 and here a23, and this portion is same here. Okay, just this is 1 2 and this is a13. Okay, and how to find l32? Okay, let me clean the page. So you can find l32, that's going to be equal to a32 minus a31 by a11 again into a12 and divided by u22. Okay, so that's how you can find l32, and once you get these values, say, then you can find u33 also, u33 from this equation. So u33 can be obtained from this equation, l31 u13 plus l32 u23 then plus u33 is equal to a33. So as we have already obtained those values, so using those values here, which one is required here, so we can find u33. Okay, now you see we have already considered that x is equal to y. So we know what is u and what is x and what is y. From this relation we obtain this, that u11 u12 u13 but 0 u22 u23 0 0 u33, and x means x1 x2 x3, that's equal to y means here y1 y2 y3, and from this relation we will get three equations, and those are u11 after multiplication of these two matrices. So we will obtain u11 x1 plus u12 x2 plus u13 x3 is equal to y1. Then we will obtain u22 x2 plus u23 x3 is equal to y2. Then u33 x3 is equal to y3. Okay, now this set of equation be suppose equation number 2, and we have already obtained one set of equations, equation 1. So those equations were y1 is equal to b1, then l21 y1 plus y2 is equal to b2, and l31 y1 plus l32 y2 plus y3 is equal to b3. So this set was equation number 1. Now as we have already got the values of l and u, and using those values obtained above, using those values we have obtained here in these two equations, and then solving we will obtain x1 x2 and x3. Okay, so that's how we can solve. So let me explain with the help of an example. Suppose we need to solve this set of equations. So if you express in the form of matrix ax is equal to by, so then what you will get, to solve this set of equation we have to express in this form, okay, as matrix. So here you can see this is matrix A, this first one is matrix A, and this capital X is this one, which represents the variables x, y, z, and the constant, this column matrix B represents these constants. So these are the constants here, and here this matrix is obtained from the variables 2 3, here coefficient is 1, and this is here 1, this is 2, this is 3. So these are nothing but coefficients of x, y, z in these three equations. So here it is 3, this is 1, this is 2, you can see it clearly. So now what we are going to do in this case, now this matrix A can be factorized into L and U, where L is nothing but 1 0 0, L2 1 1 0, then L3 1, L3 2 1, and U is equal to here, U is equal to, this contains U11, U12, U13, then 0, U22, U23, then 0 0, U33. Okay, so now you see we can write that this matrix A is equal to product of L and U. So it can be expressed as shown below. Now from here we can obtain L21, L31, L32, and U11, U12, U13, and U22, U23, U33. Okay, so let me show you how to obtain this. So before that, here you see, remember this matrix is nothing but, this is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, then A31, A32, A33. Okay, assume this in this manner. Then so let me show you, as already I have discussed how to obtain the values of L and U. Okay, so let me show you now. So from here we can obtain, so we have already got that U11 is equal to A11. So in this case A11, this is equal to 2 here. So U11 is equal to 2, then U12, that's going to be A12. So here A12 is here 3, so it's going to be equal to 3. Then we can obtain U13, that's going to be equal to A13. So A13, here you see, if you compare these two, then this is equal to 1. Okay, then how to obtain L21, I have already told you. When you need to find L21, then take A21 divided by A11. So now put the values of A21 is this, and this is going to be equal to 1. So by this is given by, and A11, so here A11 is 2, so it is 1 by 2, L21 is 1 by 2. Then L31 is, when you take L31, then you have to take A31 by A11. So A31 is this one, A31, and here it is 3. So you can see clearly this is 3. If you compare these two matrices, then you will get this is 3 by 2. Okay, now I have already also told you that how to obtain U22, then take A22 minus, then A21 by A11 into A12. Okay, so if you put the values of this A22, A21, A11 and A12, then you will get, after calculation you will get half. Okay, you can check yourself. Okay, then U23, if when you have taken here A22, U22, so here it was A22, so again as we are taking U23, it will be A23, and this part is common. Okay, A21 by A11, but this one was A12, here it will be A13. That's the only difference here. And if you put the values comparing these two matrices, if you put the values here, then you will get this U23 is equal to, you will get 5 by 2. Okay, its value is 5 by 2. Okay, now let's find L32. So L32, that's equal to A32, then minus again A31 by A11 into then A12 by U22. Okay, so if you put the values of U22, A12 and all those, then if you calculate, then you will get its value is -7. Okay, so after getting those values of L32, then U13, where we have got U13, this is U13, then we have L32 and L23. L32 is this one, L23 is U23 is, this is U23, and we also got L31, this is L31. Okay, so now from this equation, so in order to obtain U33, remember this is okay, remember this, U33 is equal to A33 minus L31 U13. When you take L31, here you have to take U13, and when you take L32, then U23. That's simple. Okay, so if you put the values here, or you can do one more thing, you can multiply these two, L and U here, and you will obtain set of three equations, and you can solve them to find out those values U and L, but it will be too long. That's why it will be better if you remember these standard forms that I have shown here. Okay, then you can find easily the values of L and U. Now let us put the values of A33, L31, U13, L32, U23, and putting those values and calculating this, we will get here 18. Its value is 18. Now you see, we have considered that Ax is equal to B and A is equal to Lu. So we should get, if you replace this A by Lu, then we should get Lu x is equal to B, isn't it? We should get this relation. Now let us consider U and X as Y. Okay, let U x is equal to, suppose Y, where Y is nothing but it is a column matrix, so contains three variables, y1, y2 and y3. Okay, so now you see here, if you consider this ux as y, then we can write Ly is equal to B. So which means we know the L, U and B. So if you put the corresponding matrix here, and then we will get, now here you see, if you multiply these two matrices and if you simplify, then you will obtain a set of equations, a set of three linear equations, and those are, so after multiplication of L and this Y, and after simplification of this relation, we have got these three relations, and this set of equations, suppose let us consider this set B as equation number 2. Okay, now here you see, we have already got the values of those L21, L31 above. Here you can see clearly. So using those values, we can solve this set of equations for the values of Y. So here you see, y1 is already 9. We have already got this. Now let us solve these equations to obtain the remaining values of Y, that is y2 and y3, and let us put those values here in this in the set of equation number 2. Here you see, if you put those values, then you will get y2 will be equal to, in this case here 3 by 2 if you put the value, and if you you can check yourself. Okay, so I'm not showing all the calculations because I don't want to make this video very long. Then y3 will be equal to minus 2. Values of y3 will be minus 2. So now we have got the values of this u and l, and also we have got the values of y1, y2 and y3. So using those values we can obtain x, y and z. Let me show you how. Now you see, as we have considered u x is equal to y, and from this relation we will get, so from this, putting the corresponding matrices, we have got this relation, and from this relation, in simplifying this, we will get 3 more linear equations, a set of linear equations, and that is, let me show you. Right, instead of writing y1, y2 and y3, let us put the values that we have already obtained here. Okay, so let me use here the values here. So what are the values? We have got 9, 3 by 2, then minus 2. So we will get 3 equations, and those are, so u11x plus u12y, then plus u13z, that's going to be equal to 9, and next equation will be u22y plus u23z, that's going to be equal to 3 by 2, and the last one will be u33z is equal to minus 2. Okay, so those this, from this set of equations, suppose this is equation number 3, this set be equation number 3, and using those values we have obtained here written above, and using those values here and solving these 3 equations, we will get the values of x, y and z. Okay, so you know how to solve linear equations, that's why I'm not going to set it, so I will write the answers directly. So value of x will be here, so if you do so, then you will get the value of x is equal to 35 by 18. Okay, 35 by 18, and value of y will be 29 by 18, and value of z will be equal to 5 by 18. So that's our solution. So that's how we can solve a given set of linear equations using LU decomposition method. So hope you have understood this. So if you think this is helpful, then share with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you.